Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to the LWS English podcast. I am your host, Susan. I am so happy you are here with me today. Thank you for your time. This channel is your safe space for learning English. Here, you can learn with no stress. You can make mistakes. Everything is okay. I am here to guide you. Today, we will talk about a very common problem. So many students tell me, Susan, I understand English when I listen. I understand movies and podcasts, but when I need to speak, nothing comes out. My mind goes blank. Why? I know exactly how you feel. This is very frustrating. But today, I will explain why this happens and give you the solution. We will use our LWS method: listen, write, and speak. Before we start, please click subscribe and like. It helps me so much. Thank you. Part 1. Why this happens. Let me explain the science. Your brain has two different systems for language. One system is for understanding, the other is for speaking. They are not the same. Understanding is passive. When you listen, your brain only recognizes words. It's like reading a sign. You see it, you understand it, easy. But speaking is active. Your brain needs to find the right words, put them in order, and pronounce them clearly all at the same time. This is much harder. Think about driving a car. Being a passenger is easy, but driving yourself? That needs practice and confidence. Understanding is being a passenger. Speaking is the driver. The good news, if you can understand English, you already have 50% of the skill. You know the words. You just need to activate your speaking system. Part 2. The input-output gap. There's something called the input-output gap. Input is what goes into your brain, listening and reading. Output is what comes out, speaking and writing. Most students have lots of input, but almost zero output. They watch English movies for hours. They listen to songs. They read books, but they never practice speaking. So their brain becomes good at understanding, but bad at speaking. Imagine you watch cooking videos every day for 1 year. You understand everything, but you never cook yourself. Then someone says, make a pizza. Can you do it? Probably not. Watching is not the same as doing. English is the same. You need to practice speaking, not just understanding. You need to close the gap. Part 3. The fear factor. Another big reason is fear. Many students are afraid to speak. They think, what if I make a mistake? What if people laugh? What if my pronunciation is bad? Fear stops you from speaking. Your brain knows the words, but fear creates a block. It locks the door in your mind. Here's the truth. Everyone makes mistakes when learning. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are proof you are trying and learning. Change how you think about mistakes. See them as teachers. Every mistake teaches you something. When you accept mistakes, fear disappears. When fear disappears, words flow. Part 4. The solution. Speak English every day. Now, the solution. You must speak English every single day, not in your head, out loud, with your voice. But Susan, I have no one to speak with. That's okay. You don't need another person. You can practice alone. Starting today, spend 10 minutes speaking English out loud. Talk to yourself. Choose a simple topic: your day, your family, your hobbies. Example: today I woke up at 7. I ate breakfast. I had coffee and bread. Then I studied English with Susan. I feel good. Do this every day for 10 minutes. In 1 week, you will notice a change. Words will come easier. Your confidence will grow. Part 5. Think in English. Another important solution is thinking in English. Most students think in their native language and translate. This is slow. Train your brain to think directly in English. When you see a dog, think dog. When you feel hungry, think I am hungry. When you see rain, think it is raining. Don't translate. Connect the English word directly to the object or feeling. Practice throughout your day. When you brush your teeth, think, I am brushing my teeth. When you drink water, think, I am drinking water. After 2 weeks, English thoughts will come automatically. This makes speaking much easier. Part 6. Sentence Building Technique. Here is a practical technique called sentence building. Start simple, then make sentences bigger. Start, I study. Add when, I study every day. Add where, I study at home every day. Add what, I study English at home every day. Add why, I study English at home because I want to improve. See, we built a complete sentence step by step. This trains your brain to create sentences naturally. Practice with different topics, your routine, your family, your work, your plans. Build sentences. Start simple, add details. Part 7. The Recording Challenge. Here is a powerful challenge. Every day, record yourself speaking English for 3 minutes. Talk about anything. Then listen to your recording. Don't judge yourself harshly. Just listen. Notice what sounds good and what needs improvement. After 7 days, compare your first and seventh recordings. You will be amazed at your progress. This builds confidence. Recording helps you hear your pronunciation. You can compare it to native speakers and identify sounds to practice more. Conclusion: you can do this. My dear friend, now you understand why you can understand English but cannot speak it yet, and you have the solution. Remember, understanding and speaking are different skills. Practice speaking separately. Close the input-output gap. Remove fear by accepting mistakes. Speak every day out loud. Think directly in English. Build sentences step by step. Record yourself regularly. Do these things for 30 days and you will see incredible results. You will speak easily and confidently. My challenge? Today, right now, speak in English for 3 minutes. Talk about your day. Record it if you can. Start now. 3 requests. First, share this video with 2 friends. Second, comment, what topic will you speak about today? Third, will you do the 30-day speaking challenge? Write yes or I commit. I read every comment and I am so proud of you. Thank you for being here. I believe in you. You can understand English and soon you will speak it fluently. Remember, listen, write, and speak. This is the LWS way. I am Susan. Have a beautiful day. Keep practicing, keep believing, keep shining. Bye-bye, my wonderful friends.